critical subjects, fostering academic excellence. What might its impact to the community? Let's find out!
As graduates may be better prepared to exit in higher education and compete in global job markets, especially in fields related to technology and science. Children have the chance to explore more advanced scientific concepts, giving them a head start in areas such as robotics, coding, environmental science, and more.
SS programs can make the community more attractive to families who prioritize education, increasing population growth and economic activity in the area. Some students play in Sivera or Central Visayas Regional Athletic Association because it gives them the opportunity to showcase their athletic talents, represent their school and community, and compete at a higher level. It also helps them develop discipline, teamwork, and sportsmanship. Additionally, excelling in Sivera can open doors for scholarship and future sport opportunities. We should pick this campus because it offers excellent academic programs, a safe and welcoming environment, modern facilities, and a strong community that supports students' growth. The campus also provides various extracurricular activities, ensuring a well-rounded education. Additionally, its location is convenient, with access to essential services and opportunities for internship or job placement.